Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in not today's newspaper because today's newspaper is Friday, July the 2nd, 2021. Yesterday I have no additional with extra puzzles. Today I have also no extra puzzles in the additional, so I've decided to solve the Tuesday's newspaper. Tuesday, June the 29th, we have two puzzles left. The Two Stars Sudoku and a tectonic with one star. And the previous Sudoku I have solved, a one star Sudoku, I've a little bit troubles because I've solved this in 17 minutes. So it isn't a one star Sudoku, but a two star Sudoku, this one. So this one with two stars will be number 3037. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number let me see. Yes, in this big square, let me start with the 4. We have 4 fours. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then how about the number 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 3, 3. Okay, we have 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. Okay. 1, 6, 5. Ooh. Yeah. We have a pair. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Okay. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair, 1 and a 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Okay. How about these three missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 6. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 5. So those two numbers should be the 1 and the 2. No. The 2 and the 7. No. Oh, 7 we have. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3 are missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and the 3. Two numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Second pair. Third pair here in this big square. The 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 3. Okay. Think. Uh-huh. 9. 7. I'm thinking. 7, 8 and a 4. Okay. So we have here a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places for the 7, could be here, could be there. Same for the 8, 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Alright, so we have 4, 7, 8 there. So what are the other 3 numbers in this row? The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 here in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. Alright, so we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with 3 boxes with the 8. We need an 8 in one of those 3 boxes. We see here, no 8 there, here, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. So the 7 and 4 as a pair, okay. 7 and a 4, 2 and a 6, 7, 7. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 3. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, okay. Then. Let me see. All right. Two, 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 two. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 9. 9 and a 5. How about those three missing numbers? The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2, 3, and the 6. 2, 3, and the 6. 2, 6, okay. Cannot fill this yet. 2, 3, and the 6. Do we have all the 8s? Yeah, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 3, 3. Do we have all the 2s? No. No, 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 no. 4, 4. 6, 9. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers here I've marked with 2 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. Okay, now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 1. Okay. Okay. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 9. Alright. 293. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Oh, wait. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the third row for the number 5. Yes. So we have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers, I believe. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. 2, 3, 6. Here we have 7 and a 4. 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 here in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6 and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 7 and 4 in this big square. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku. So, although it's 26 printed digits, it's faster than the previous Sudoku. For 2 Stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 15 minutes. So, I'm very, very pleased with the time. Yes, I really do. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional of Tuesday. Yes, June the 29th. It will be a tectonic one. Yes, tectonic with 1 star I will solve. See you then. Bye-bye for now.